You're watching?
Can I just start channeling a jump? Can I just start channeling?
Yeah. Hide.
I'm channeling here. I'm channeling here. Channeling here. Heals. Eve back. Soraka. Staying on Soraka. Going into
Corki. Okay, switch to Yasuki.
Aurelia.
Nice job.
Eve might be going a long way around. I'm checking left side.
Okay.
I think I'm going to engage.
Eve's there.
Yeah. Okay.
Backed up on
Fight then.
spot.
I'm engaging here. Jumping here. Soraka first.
I have flash. I'm gonna flash on him.
Getting a thresh maybe.
Thresh. Eve.
Soraka. Corki at the side.
I can flash over this wall.
Aurelia.
Dodge. She's done. Finish her.
Hey. Alright, let's calms off. Take a walk. Just walk out.